In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through a Google slide. So the first thing, if you need to add text boxes, I'm going to show you how to do that first. So we're in our classwork. I'm going to open up an assignment by clicking on the assignment, viewing the assignment. Remember, your work is over here, so you would click on this assignment. And when your assignment loads, you will see your math problems in this example. If you need to insert text boxes, I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you find your basic math equations here, you still need to put your answer. So 10/12 minus 1/4 equals, so we need to find our answer first and then insert a text box. As you can see, there's no text boxes here. Sometimes your teacher will have text boxes provided for you, other times they won't. If there's no text box that you can click in, you simply come up here to the top toolbar, and I'll show you what each of these functions are. And if you just rest your mouse on it, it will tell you what it does. So this would be your text box. Simply click that. It is showing highlighted, so this is the tool that I'm using, a text box. I have a plus sign. Now this will make a square for me. Or a rectangle, I guess. When you click, now you'll be able to type your answer. So we need to figure out the problem, and now I can't see my problem anymore. 10/12 minus 1/4. So obviously we need the denominator. I'm just going to put an answer in here. 3 or 12. 10 minus 3 is 7/12. There we go. So now it typed in my answer. If it is too small or too big that it doesn't fit in your box, just simply highlight your text, and right here in the top, it will allow you to make the font smaller by hitting the minus sign. You can see my font changing size, or you can make your font bigger by hitting the plus sign. Okay. So let me show you again how to do that with this next box. We'll show you one more time here. So you come up here to insert your text box, click on that option, place your cursor in the top corner where you want your text box to show, and then you can type your answer in here again. Okay. Some of the other functions in the top toolbar include changing your text style, the size, making text bold if you need to for something for your teacher. Maybe you're doing a spelling homework and you need to bold the word in your sentence. You can use that function here. Underlining, different functions here. Okay, so that is how to navigate through this type of a Google slide. I'm going to show you another type of Google slide that your teacher may use. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go into a different classroom. Some other things your teacher may include in a Google slide, they may embed the videos for the lesson right within the Google Slides. Okay, so if that's an option, make sure you are watching your teacher's videos. You may also have things to manipulate within your slides. So instead of adding text boxes here, you're manipulating these circles as you can see in the directions. Circle the conjunction in the sentence below. So you would simply click on one of the circles. You'll notice this blue squares around it. When your cursor looks like 4 arrows going in opposite directions, you will then drag it and find your conjunction. Just like that, okay? And you can leave it that way, or if you need to resize it, you can do that by simply clicking on it and dragging from one of the sides. If you make a mistake, let's say you accidentally move that whole thing over, okay? You can work and try to really get it back where it's supposed to be, or you can simply hit this undo button right here in your top corner. It's the arrow that points over to the left. You want to undo what you just did. Okay, and you can push it a few times just in case you accidentally keep dragging and then you decide this isn't worth my time. The undo button will make it much simpler for you. And again, that is right here in the top left corner. Again, just like with any other function in this toolbar, if you rest your mouse over top of it and just let it sit there, it will tell you what that function is. So this is undo, this would be redo, and those are two pretty important functions that you can use. Another function I'm going to show you here quickly is, let's say you delete these circles and you can't get them back. Okay, or you delete a text box and you can't get it back. What you can simply do is just click on this circle, for example, and if you hit CTRL on your keyboard, I can't show you that, but if you hit CTRL on your keyboard, it's in the bottom corner, and C at the same time, it will copy it. Okay, now if I hit that same CTRL, the same control button, and the letter V as in victory, you can paste it. Now you see another one popped up. So I can hit, now that I've copied this circle, if I want to paste 10 of these on here, I can by hitting Control V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that is your copy and paste function. In case you make any mistakes, or if you need to add text boxes to make your life easier, you can just copy and paste one and then Control V every time you need a text box if they need to be similar sizes. And these are some ways to help you navigate through Google Slides.